Hey guys, got my phone. It is time to call them. It is time to call the Mario Brothers Company. It's time to call them. Okay. So I got the number written on the screen right now. So we're about to do the dial fast. So we're about to dial them. Um, it's kind of my first time doing this, so it's gonna be a little bit weird, but I still. Oh no, the dial pad 929 556 2746. Alright, we're gonna call them. I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Thank you for calling Super Mario Brothers Plumbing. It's me, Luigi. If you need service, please text us at the same number you just called. 92955 Mario. That's 9295562 Message us about any issues wherever you live. House, condo, mansion? And we'll be sure to text you back right away because at Super Mario Brothers Plumbing, we don't say let's wait. We say let's go. Oh, and check our website, smbplumbing.com. We're still working on it, so more updates to come. Bye-bye.
Oh my god! We actually called, guys. Look at this. We actually called them. Holy cow! So yes, so we're gonna add. So we're gonna add them to contacts. So we're gonna hold on, guys. We're gonna add a picture to them. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of a picture real quick. Let's see. I'm trying to pick like a good one, like a Mario plumbing. So um, we going to add a picture. We're gonna add a picture. We're gonna do like a little bit of screenshot. So hmm, what what would be like a good picture to do? Definitely this one. I can't believe we actually caught them on recording. That's crazy. So yeah, we just called them. I've been waiting to get a new phone to call them, but the Mario movie is coming out, so I might as well call them already. So yeah, I am so excited. I can't believe we actually called them. Holy cow! Oh no, it was working so far. But yeah, we're gonna save them as a contact. So just in case I need to call the Mario Brothers, to come fix my plumbing. And they're already in New York, bro. That's crazy, bro. They're in New York. I'm not in New York right now. I'm in Georgia, but it would be cool to stop by in New York. I don't know when I'm going to go to New York, but if I ever get a chance to go to New York, I'm definitely gonna swing by the Nintendo world or like the Nintendo shop and then buy some things because that like that'll be pretty cool. That'll be like the coolest thing ever to do. It's just to do that. So we're gonna go back to contacts and we're gonna save them. We're gonna choose the photo and we're gonna do Mario and Luigi, or we're actually gonna name it Plumbing Inc. No, no, Super Mario Bros. Plumbing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call. So we're gonna hold on. For super servers, call or text. So yeah, we can save them. Super Mar- Bros. Mario. guys, we officially made Super. Hold on. I got probably can't see it. It's Super Mario Bros. Plumbing. So we officially made a contact for them. So just in case I need to call them, it's cool, you know. So these are my contacts. I guess these are my. You probably cannot see it as close as do, but yeah, I have all my contacts. I got Super Mario Plumbers Inc. Yeah. So it's I just called them. Man. I did not text them, but there is a website. It's called Super Mario Bros. Plumbing SMB Plumbing.com. Okay, so we're gonna check out the website real quick, and it's like call us at 95929 556 2746. There you go. That is the number for the on TV. 24 mile seriously working once in a while. We are tired. My little but taller brother Luigi and we were tired of dealing with spiky bosses, so we jumped our opportunity to take on Brooklyn's plumbing problems all by ourselves. Family owned and operated. We aim to one up the uncommon ever with a regular player. Thanks for checking out Mario and Luigi. So far, we do have some reviews, and so far they are 5 stars. These guys they showed up in no time, but as soon as we didn't hear from. So okay, so I think this is like a joke type of review. Hold on, probably dang, but my phone screen looks really bad. But anyway, you guys can probably see it right there. Yeah, it says it right there. So I think that's like a joke or something. So yes. So this says call or text at 929-55 Mario. Caller, yep, it just says offer now. Dispatch, we flooded every workplace every single day, and we need somebody to keep us from the order. Bookkeeper, we bring in the coin while we keep out everything. Marketing manager, think you can help make Mario and Luigi household names. Driver, maybe must be able to drive our van or help push it if it isn't starting. Parking can be tricky in Brooklyn, so our driver needs to obey parking signs. Van tour. We receive an overwhelming mouse test, so we're taking this show on the road outside Brooklyn. Come visit us in person. Upcoming locations: Austin, Texas, March 10th. New York City, March 10th to March 30th. Boston, I think this is Boston, MA. I don't know what that means. Boston, it says Boston, MA right there. I don't know what that means. Boston, MA. I don't know what that, but it's March 24th through March 26th. Los Angeles, California, April 1st to April 5th. And San Francisco, California, March 20th to the 24th. About Us Career Service Area Band Tour. Okay, so we just visited the Mario Brothers plumbing thing.com. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited, honestly, man. It's been an honor to call this. Tomorrow I will be making a video. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but it's gonna be on my main channel. I'm gonna make a short about the Mario plumbing services. So far, guys, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I forgot to my intro again, but who cares? What's up, boys and girls? Back at it again with another video. Alright, I just did my intro. Now I'm gonna do my outro. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Goodbye.